speak English?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. So, guys, first of all, good morning. I didn't hear you. What happened? Good morning.
Buenos dias.
Yes, you are in Dominican Republic. Come on, you need to be a little louder. Got it? So, I'm sorry for the loud. So, you are in the right factory. So, this is the process that we make everything. ¿Cuántos son? 6. 6. Y ahora aquí, vamos a ver. Let me see, some people coming more. Si estoy empezando ahora mismo, ¿está bien en inglés? ¿Está bien? ¿Español o inglés? English. You can take a seat. Have a seat.
Welcome back to my channel. Y'all know what it is. Emerald EAT, and we're still out here in Plata. I believe San Felipe is the name of the town, and we at the Emerald shop. We're gonna learn a little bit about it. Of course, I'll bring you guys along with me. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Tell a friend, subscribe. Let's see what's to it.
We're not going to worry about it.
All right. All right, guys. So then, once again, good morning.
Bueno.
How are you? Now you sound better, right? At first you sound like good morning. Come on. If I would be like you on vacation, trust me, I would be drunk right now. You know how Dominicans we are, right? So, guys, my name is Darwin. Today I'm going to explain a little bit more about our stone from Dominican Republic and also show you a couple of the things that we do in this factory. You already know, you already hear a couple of the things we do here. Just we start or we explain a little bit more. So then, first of all, let's start talking about our national stone. Do you already know it?
Amber.
Another one. Larimar. That's right. Somebody say it also. Larimar. Okay? So easy like that to pronounce. I'm going to explain you also where comes the name. Larimar is the national stone from Dominican Republic because there is only one mine of this blue stone in the world and it's only found local here in this country. Like in other countries you can find topaz, you can find like turquoise in America. So here in Dominican Republic, this is the one we find, Larimar. But the difference is we are the only one that have this blue stone in the world and it's found here. Really young for us still, yes, it was discovered in 1974, about 52 years ago, but declared in 2009. So that's why it's really, really young for us still. The person that found it is called Miguel Mendez, but the name of the stone came in honor of his little daughter. That's why I thought it's really easy to remember. His daughter is called Larissa, right? Lari is from Larissa, and mar for the color. Tell me, my friend, what means mar in English? The ocean, the sea, right? That's why when you translate sea in Spanish, mean mar. So that's why it's really easy to tell your name, Larimar. So then, in simple view, when we find the stone, it looks plain, like whatever any other. And we never know when the stone brings beautiful colors. That's why the stone is considered like a precious stone, semi-precious stone. Why? Because most of the time, when we cut the stone, this is what we find. Only minerals inside it. Why? Because the Larimar is a blended from a lot of minerals. Between them, we can find copper, we can find iron, we can find calcium, potassium, sodium, all of the white color too, like the born, and all of them blended is that giving the blue color is the Larimar. When it's not good concentrate, for example, the color, you're gonna see that the stone is more red and can be more earth, more like that. But when it's very, very good concentrate, it should be blue and white. So that's the authentic Larimar. But all of the same mineral blended made that the stone are really, really heavy and really, really strong. The only way that we could this, as you can see, is with some diamond equipment that this, but a lot of water. That's why the guys was using this part, because if we don't cook with water, the stone can break the machine. So that's why that's the only way that we break it. And also another nice thing is the Larimar is every color we find, they are 100% different. one to each other. So that's why every pieces of Larimar, they are authentic and they are so unique. That's why. But then, Larimar is our national stone, but then it's not the only one, because also here in Dominican Republic, we have another one which is really, really famous in the whole world. He already mentioned.
Amber.
What was that one? Amber. That's right. This one. Have you ever heard amber before?
Yes.
Let me remind you something. Jurassic Park, or another famous movie from Hollywood too, mentioned about the amber. But also, if you have traveled, for example, countries like Russia, Portland, Germany, they are really famous with their amber. But you're gonna say then, what is amber at all, right? Amber, guys, is tree sap that was fossilized millions of years ago. That's why in the movie they mentioned that they find the little buggies inside. But did you know that that movie was made with the Dominican amber? And you're gonna say, why? Why Dominican amber is special if you can find amber in other countries, right? It's because in countries like Russia and Germany, which are really, really famous with the amber, they used to find it on the ocean, on the sea. And they only find like 5 colors of amber. But we find here on land, directly in the mountains. So that made that our amber have one of the bigger diversity colors of amber, finding like yellow, orange, brown, honey color, sometimes amber red, but especially we have 2 colors of amber which is super, super rare. It's amber green and amber blue. But then, I want to pass one of them around for you to see. How light it is. Let's just start here. You can pass around, not a problem. And in this size, let's go to pass this one. You can pass around. I want all of you to know. It's so light, right?
Oh my gosh, it is so light. That is so light.
But look at this. I want to just show you, especially in Dominican Republic also, we have 2 ambers, 2 kind of amber that is the same, like fine little bubbles inside. Which, why? Because was volcano gas that was fossilized at the same time with the tree sap. That is amber green and amber blue. Have you ever seen those colors before?
Amber blue.
Amber blue?
Yeah.
He haven't seen. Let me show you then for all of you, look at that. For example, look at that. That's the famous green amber. Let me show you first the green.
Yeah.
If you put with the sunlight, it's gonna be even stronger because the sunlight is even stronger than this. Of course. I'm gonna show you at one test. That's a green amber. But this is not even the most rare. The top number 1 is this white blue. That's blue amber. There we go. Now we got it. There we go. Once again, because I want to use it better. Stronger light. How it shines. How beautiful they are. This is the top colors. Look at that. This is the most pretty colors.
Yeah. All 3
Oh,
colors.
yeah.
Blue and green.
Oh, look at that.
The blue is even more rare than any others. But then, somebody asked me, right? How can we know if this amber is real or is a fake piece, right? Let's gonna do it. Let's gonna know. For example, when the amber is real, only amber, for example, in salt water flow. Plastic doesn't, never. That's why we have fresh water, for example. In fresh water, 2 of them sink, plastic and amber. Look at that. But if we take it and then we put the amber in salt water, this should happen. Look at that. Real amber gonna flow. But then how can we know? Look at these 2 pieces. They look like the same, 100% like the same. It's same view, it's the same sign, it's the same thing. Let's see. Two of them seams, right? But then if we take it, and then we put in the salt water, we know that, uh-oh, what happened? One goes to the bottom. Why? Because
Plastic.
it's only a piece of plastic. The density of the salt water made that the real amber flow. Meanwhile, the density of the water doesn't mean anything to the plastic. That's why it's our tester for the amber. Somebody tested the diamond with the machine, right? This is our natural tester of the authentic amber. But there is something inside it. If the amber is already fixed in a piece of jewelry, for example, gold or silver, it's difficult to know if the amber is real or fake. Because the metal around gonna be too heavy, for example, to make that the amber flow. That's why you gotta be careful every place. Not how some people say, not everything that shines is gold, right? So that's why you gotta be careful. Here in our factory, the guys, they have been working many years with both of the stone, but the most important is the guarantee you receive from us. You receive here guarantee for life in all of the pieces you see, and you're gonna find that our silver, for example, is not the one that turns yellow or black. So that's why we give you the formal guarantee and the certification. So guys, for now, it was my pleasure, and now we can pass to the next area. Very welcome.
Thank you.
You are free to pass and look inside.
Thank you, thank you.
Bienvenidos.
Hay por ahí piedras. Ahí está. Ay, sorry.
They're all flipped.
Guys, if you enjoyed this type of video, get a video a thumbs up, tell a friend, you know, subscribe. Okay, guys, I hope you learned something about amber. And I'm gonna catch you next video.